All right. Let's in the meantime shift focus to domestic updates that are now coming in. After 17 long years of character assassination, the NIA court hearing the Malegaon blast case said that Sadhvi Pragya is not a terrorist. Lieutenant Colonel Shrikant Purohit is not a terrorist. And 5 others who were in the dock for almost 2 decades are also not terrorists. Now, while exonerating all 7 accused, the court said that there was no reliable evidence against them. Significantly, the judge also said that terrorism has no religion or color and it cannot convict on mere perception. But the opposition and the Congress did not even wait, even after 24 hours to show its true colors. Former Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithvi Raj Chavan, who has now coined a new term called Sanatani terror, and he has explained it why it is appropriate, not Hindu terror, Sanatani terror.
देखिए, मैं बड़ी विनम्रता से कहना चाहूंगा कि भगवा शब्द का प्रयोग न करें। भगवा ये महाराष्ट्र की 14 करोड़ जनता के लिए एक पवित्र शब्द है। ये भगवा जो है वो छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का झंडा था, जो कि एक स्वतंत्रता का प्रतीक है। अगर आपको किसी धर्म का नाम लें तो हिंदू टेरर कहिए, हिंदू फंडामेंटलिस्ट टेरर कहिए, सनातनी टेरर कहिए, लेकिन भगवा न कहिए।
Now, it was like because of people like Chavan and his party members and company that Sadhvi Pragya had to face unimaginable physical torture in custody. Thakur was the face of Hindu terror, a term that gained currency after 2008 blast in Malegaon, a case that she says ruined her life. It was because of this political lobby that a serving army officer was framed, put in jail for almost a decade, was treated worse than a prisoner of war. And even then today he says that India is a great country and he will continue to serve his nation.
I'm extremely grateful to all of you. I'm extremely grateful to the environment, to my nation, and all those who stood by me. I was accused of something. Today I've been exonerated. I'm out of it. I'm happy about it.
आपके गाल पे थप्पड़ मारे जा रहे हैं, 100 थप्पड़ मारे जा रहे हैं एक साथ। मतलब इस प्रकार की यातनाएं, उसकी कितनी सर्जरियां हुई आपको पता ही नहीं, और उन यातनाओं से उसकी हड्डी हड्डी टूट चुकी है, वो चलने फिरने लायक कैसे हुई है।
But when we speak of the political class, Chavan and company, who seem to be even now totally dismissive of this pain, when the Maharashtra Chief Minister cited the verdict saying that, I quote in Hindi, कि आतंकवाद भगवा ना कभी था, ना है, ना कभी रहेगा, that is coming in from Devendra Fadnavis, meaning terrorism was never saffron, is not saffron, and will never be. However, the former Chief Minister responded with a coining of a fresh term to slander Sanatan. Here's what previously the current Chief Minister said.
कांग्रेस प्रणीत यूपीए सरकार ने भगवा आतंकवाद, हिंदू आतंकवाद, ये नैरेटिव सेट करने के लिए षड्यंत्र रचा और ये पूरा मालेगांव का केस तैयार किया। आज उसका पर्दाफाश हो गया है। वोट की राजनीति के लिए अपनी वोट बैंक को, और विशेष रूप से एक पर्टिकुलर धर्म की वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए जिस प्रकार से नैरेटिव लाने का प्रयास कांग्रेस ने किया था, आज पूरा देश उसका धिक्कार कर रहा है और हम मांग करते हैं कि कांग्रेस ने माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Well, with the maafi mangne chahiye seems to be a far cry as far as when it comes to the opposition is concerned. Chavan may be doing well to speak for Digvijay Singh, the man who back in 2008 said that Hindu terrorists are even more dangerous. Right after the Malegaon verdict said RSS had no role in when it comes to the Mumbai terror attack. However, there has been also a back and forth that now seems to be coming in from the leaders of the same Congress party.
मैं फिर से दोहरा रहा हूं कि मुंबई के आतंकवादी हमले में आरएसएस का हाथ नहीं था। जो मेरे पे जो आरोप लगाए जाते हैं बिल्कुल गलत है। हर धर्म में प्रेम, सद्भाव, सत्य और अहिंसा का रास्ता है। केवल नफरत ही आतंकवाद को जन्म देती है, चाहे हिंदुओं में हो, चाहे मुसलमानों में हो, चाहे किसी में भी हो। इसलिए किसी धर्म का नाम आतंकवाद से जोड़ना अनुचित है।
Well, Arunil, good morning. What changed? How come there has been a change as far as when it comes to the statements coming in from the same Congress leaders who in the last 17 years coined the term as Hindu terror, then went on to Sanatan terror now has been backing off as far as their statements are concerned, saying कि नफरत आतंकवाद को फैलाती है.
Well, Amit, good morning to you. It cannot be negated that the term Bhagwa terror or Hindu terrorism was coined during the UPA regime. Congress and a joint NCP government was in power in Maharashtra, as well as several other Congress leaders, pan-India as well, mentioned about the term Hindu terror, particularly after the Malegaon bomb blast. It was said that there were Hindu terrorists who planted this bomb to target a particular minority community in Malegaon. But after the verdict in the special NIA court, in fact, when the 7 accused, as you rightly pointed out, were acquitted, exonerated, charges against them were also dropped. The honorable judge also went on to say that terrorism has no religion. No religion will propagate terrorism, as well as terrorism has no color as well. Immediately, a reaction came in from Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis, saying that Bhagwa Atankwad na kabhi tha, na kabhi hoga. A very shocking statement followed from Prithviraj Chavan, who defended Bhagwa, the color Bhagwa, saying that Bhagwa ko ye sab, you should not defame Bhagwa because it is a symbol of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj flag. It is a symbol of freedom, independence. It is also a symbol of Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Tukaram. But certainly this can be called as Sanatani terrorism. It can be called as Hindutva terrorism. Now, BJP has again attacked Prithviraj Chavan for his statements, saying that why is he calling it as Sanatani terrorism or Hindutva terrorism when the court has given its verdict, acquitting all the 7 accused.
All right. Well, questions as once again being raised, Arunil, as you pointed out, with regards to the BJP, this is how the BJP today has now been reacting, calling out those who had coined the term Hindu terror and how political mileage has been gained by the same parties.
आज फिर से पृथ्वीराज चौहान और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कहा है कि इसको हिंदुत्व आतंक, सनातनी आतंक कहना चाहिए. सोचिए, पूरी दुनिया में होता है सनातन का सम्मान जी, तो सनातन के विरोध में खड़ी है इनकी लंका. सनातन को जोड़ रहे हैं आतंकवाद से, मतलब हिंदू टेरर की थ्योरी फिर से गढ़ी जा रही है. ये हिंदुओं का अपमान है. ये तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति में तुष्टीकरण की चलानी है दुकानदारी, इसलिए हिंदू को दो गाली, यही इनकी प्रणाली.
All right. Political reactions that continue to come in, but what is also gaining a lot of political